So here's my working LAMP environment. Over here on the left, we have the index of my hello folder, which is under my XAMPP. And in this folder, we have a few different PHP files: delete record, gone, names input, show names, and store names. Each of these files plays an important role in allowing the database to work properly. So for the names input, that's where you'll go to add the name to the database. And then to actually see the name, that's what show names does. It saves the name, and then, well, store names saves the name into the database, and then show names allows it to be visible. And then delete record will delete a name from a database. And then gone, I believe it actually permanently removes the name from the database. And so we'll show that over here. So if you want to add a name, click on names input, and then it'll ask you for a first name, middle initial, and last name. For an example, we'll do my name. So we got Nate W. Mullins. And once everything's good, you click submit, and then it'll tell you the name was added to the database, and I'll show you what was added down here. And so if you want to see the names in the database, you click on show names in database, and it has it in a table format: first name, middle initial, last name. And over here on the left side, we have the count as a private key, which is 5 in this case. So if we want to delete a name from the database, we go up here and click delete record. And then once we do that, we have to enter a record to delete, and that's based off the private key. So in this case, it's going to be 5, and then submit, and then tells you record 5 has been deleted. So there's no other entries in the database. So if you go to show names again, it's no longer there. But then if you click on add another name here in the top left, you can just add another name to the database. Issues that I had trying to get everything up and running: nothing too big really, just I had issues with a couple PHP files compiling. I'm pretty sure it was mainly because of syntax errors. So once I figured out what the errors were, I just went back in and fixed them. Then why would a developer want to use LAMP stack? And then what I have to say is a developer might want to use LAMP stack or even just some technology related databases if they feel the need to store entries online in a safe and secure environment. Not only that, but it's fairly easy to pick up. And then if companies use LAMP stack, how would it benefit me? Well, once I'm out in the real world and applying for jobs at companies where LAMP stack is common and even heavily used, I will be able to use it effectively and efficiently in my career, because I'll have that prior experience. Thank you for watching.